Wow. Ari! What's the nice? I coach you red-handed. You weißt doch, wie sie spielen Piano.
Ich habe mit loslernen. I love to sing, so...
What's the nice, Ari? Das schmeckt du in der Hose. Next level. What's it? Gib mir die Mic, können wir mal tun.
Ja, sure.
What's it? Schmeckt du.
Zullen we er wel zo gaan? Kom door aan. Jetzt ist vaak Chanukah. Chanukah, people go nuts. We gaan dadelijk zien what ideas you can have to buy as a gift. Gifting became very, very popular. In jeder eine sich, was kann ich kaufen? Ich will kaufen etwas, was man geht da nur. Man will nicht etwas kaufen, was geht da reingehen in der Schrankkarte, und etwas sagt, man nützt die ersten 2 Minuten, that's it. You want to get something, and we'll give all the Kinder, hand schon focused auf der Eltern, Menschen was kaufen von der Wab, oder der Wab von der Mann. So this is etwas, was jeder Haus darf haben. Every house should have such a thing. The idea von Hubma Schmeck, when it comes to that, you can connect it, like I said, it's something that there's really, the power of scent, the power of smell is from the 5 senses, was ist von der stärkste Senses zu tun an Mensch. Ein Mensch gedenkt an Schmeck. Ein Mensch kommt an einen Platz and it smells good, they remember it. You want to be able to have this in your house. Gib es für dein Wab, kauf es für dein Mann, whoever, this is a gift that's for everyone. Für dein Baba, es kommt mit simple instructions, kann bald wasen, was mit Abstand sehr große Genies, das zu kennen, aufsetzen, hast es du, it comes in a few different settings, das ist eine Sache, was
Oh, it's got a light oog on top.
The light oog, yeah. So this is something you can use the light actually, not even when it doesn't work.
The machine?
Yeah. It says so it's with a low, medium, high thing. Jeder Mensch, du Moment, was kommt ran, it's too strong. I need it lighter. Kannst es aufsetzen lighter.
Oh, wow.
So es gibt mit hinderte Mine schmecken. Ja.
Schmeckt good. Wow. What type of smells do they have?
So sie haben so viel Mine. So du just go onto their website. Sie haben eine Website. FRAVEhome.com is our website. And the haben dort, our hotel collection is big.
What's the hotel collection about?
So hotels like around so viel koyach, and to be able to find the right scent as I guess don't feel in be'emes like they're at home. They really invest a lot. So sie sind gegangen and they imitated all the different high-end hotels. Hinderte Mine, von alle Mine, not only hotels.
No way. So what's that? Ich kann anpluggen man who's a Hyatt, whatever hotel, was ich kann lieben hotel.
St. Regis, let's say, Geister, ja, sie kannst du St. Regis smell. Four Seasons, sie haben so viel different...
I don't have to go on vacation anymore. So people listen to me and I nicht mehr on vacation jetzt.
Exactly. Und so das sagt, the power of the mind, das sagt, weißt, wenn die Zins tun an Nigen, was gewähnen einmal ergeht, sind die Mandag Memories,
correct.
Scent has the same thing. Als wenn die Geist ergeht, in die Schmeckstep ist, du wirst weg on vacation, you buy such a thing, macht sie dann Eugen, ute mal an, die
It's like in a hotel now.
Exactly.
I love that. So you have all the different hotel flavors over here. And how many the box is beautiful gift.
Yeah.
So to give for a gift for a client, for a corporate company wants to give all the workers.
A Schmeck hat a größere Power, und du kommst an in es schmeckt, you smell as if es schmeckt in the heim, it's something that really, really has, but kick off their gifting, the Weg wird es gepackt. Es kommt mit simple instructions, so war es noch pinkler was zu tun, very simple, hast du viele Option für
Bluetooth. Wow, so you have an app?
You have an app for this.
So you could, from your phone, you can hit it to turn on, to shut off, everything?
Ja, the app kannst du controllen alles. Und dann sagen, Vater, kommst du daheim, es geht das stressful Tag, und ich darf sie schmecken in daheim, zinnst du zum Vater, the time you enter the house, kannst du so Baruch mit einer Gitter schmeck, and it's something that really says it's going to save you a lot of therapy.
Very cool.
As a special for Chanukah, you know, I know that you always get excited when there's a Perlowitz promotion.
I get excited, the followers get excited.
Everyone gets excited. So I have my promotion yet. When you put in Perlowitz 20, you get a free bottle of oil.
Wow.
You can choose any scent. So the first one you get free from the St. Regis, you order St. Regis, it's going to come to you for free.
Wow. Have a Perlowitz 20 online. The website again is FRAVEhome.com. Wie doch kann man das kaufen online?
You can just kaufen in any store that sells gifts in the tri-state area. Any gift store. Go around, just ask for FRAVE. And they're right away going to know. This is a popular thing. This is everyone's favorite.
Favorite? FRAVE.
Everyone's favorite.
Everyone's favorite. I like that. I like tongue twister.